Are you looking for a simple way to create an interactive video course with quizzes embedded? In this video, I will show you how to achieve that from A to Z with our all-in-one authoring tool, ActivePresenter, specifically with its latest powerful version 10. ActivePresenter 10 allows directly inserting pre-designed interactive questions right in the middle of your video. Even more, you can immediately share a link of this video quiz to learners just by uploading it to ePresenter LMS right inside the app. So, if you are ready to upgrade your passive viewing into the dynamic interactive video course like the link I leave in the description box below, let's stay tuned to the end of this video because I will show you step by step. If you are new or haven't upgraded to version 10, also go to the description box and download ActivePresenter 10 now to get started with me. I'm Clay from A2Me Systems and welcome to ActivePresenter channel. Step 1. Allow question insertion at timestamps. By default, in ActivePresenter, a newly inserted question will be a new slide. After launching the app and opening a project, head to the Question tab. Click on Question Settings. This section allows setting some default options for questions before inserting them into the canvas. Tick this option. Click OK to apply. By setting it so, you can now insert a new interactive question right within the video as a front layer instead of a new slide as before.
Emphasize a particular topic or task. Mobile learning, according to statistics.
Step 2. Insert video and question at timestamp. In the Insert tab, choose Video and insert a video from file or from webcam recording. On the timeline pane, drag the playhead to the timestamp where you want the question to appear and place it there. Go to the Question tab, choose one among 13 question types to insert it on the timestamp of the video that you want. Immediately, the question will appear as the top layer on the video. Step 3. Customize question. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss quality e-learning content and tutorials from us. And here, I will quickly customize a simple question for you to easily get the process. First, we will need to adjust the visual of the question. After inputting the content of the questions into the question title and answer area, you can feel free to make changes to the style, color, text font or layout, etc. to have the final visual look as you want. Then, set score and reporting sections for the question in the Properties pane here on the right side. Mode, points, attempts, timeout are the categories you can customize. To make any object interactive, you have to add events and actions to it. So does the question. Normally, each question in ActivePresenter has events and action added by default, but you can customize it as you wish like this.
Mobile learning, according to statistics, 89%. According to statistics, 89% of smartphone users download app.
Step 4. Export project to view and share. The final step is to export your project. If you export to video formats, learners cannot interact with the questions because the interactivity is not supported in the video format due to its nature. Instead, for learners to interact with the video and quizzes, you need to export the project to e-learning formats like HTML5 or SCORM and XAPI. But my advice here is you directly export your video course into our LMS ActivePresenter. It is an e-learning platform for everyone to view and interact with your video course and share it to others immediately. So, go to the Export tab, choose Publish ActivePresenter. You need to create an ActivePresenter account first to upload. Don't worry, it's free and costs nothing to open an account. Then, sign in and fill in the course information in this dialog. In the Options tab, make sure you tick one of these operation modes so that the course will run interactively instead of like a video. Other information can be found in details in the tutorial link I placed in the description box. And now, just view the course and share it with your viewers and learners.
Works. Learning is not limited to a physical location, locked in a specific table. It often extends 3 to 5 minutes long with short bursts of information that emphasize a particular topic or task. Mobile learning. According to statistics, 89% of smartphone users download apps.
That's it! You now know how to create interactive video quizzes and courses in ActivePresenter 10 in just a few quick steps. Believe me, it just takes you a very short time if you have already had your materials and resources available. Download ActivePresenter 10 now to try creating a video quiz on your own. And if you're interested in AI features, don't hesitate to purchase a standard or pro license of ActivePresenter to unlock them. See you again in the next videos!